Hey everyone, welcome to today's video where we're diving into the straightforward process of closing a Truist bank account. Whether you're switching to a new bank, simplifying your finances, or just need a fresh start, I'll walk you through each step clearly and efficiently. Let's get right into it. First off, before you take any action, log into your Truist account online or through their mobile app. Double-check your balance, outstanding transactions, and any linked automatic payments. It's crucial to settle any debts or transfer funds elsewhere to avoid fees or complications. For example, if you have pending checks or subscriptions, cancel or redirect them now. This could save you headaches down the line. Next, gather the essentials. You'll need your account number, routing number, and a government-issued ID like a driver's license or passport. This information is key for verification and ensures a smooth process. Now, it's time to contact Truist. You have a few options. Call their customer service line, which you can find on their website, visit a local branch, or use the app if available. When you connect with a representative, they'll start by verifying your identity through security questions or personal details. Be prepared for that. Once verified, clearly state your intention to close the account. The rep might ask for your reasons, but you're not obligated to share. Discuss any remaining balance. You could transfer it to another account or request a check. Make sure to ask about any potential closure fees. Truist might have them, so it's good to know upfront. Finally, confirm the closure in writing, either via email or a confirmation letter, and keep records of the entire interaction. This protects you if any issues arise later. And there you have it. Closing your Truist account doesn't have to be stressful. Always review everything twice, and if you run into snags, reach out to their support. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.